Hi loves, this is Sinyoung from The More Beauty. Welcome to our quick daily Gua Sha Facial Massage for visible sagging and loss of elasticity. Without further ado, let's begin. First, on clean skin, we recommend prepping with a facial serum, oil, or moisturizer that provides a nice, smooth glide for your Gua Sha tool throughout your facial massage. For me, I am using our all-natural and vegan illuminating facial serum. You can find all of our products at themorebeauty.com. I'm going to get one pump and mix it with water. Like so. Gently press it in all over. Your neck, your chest, your hands as well. Now we will begin with a clean Gua Sha tool. We will work up starting from our neck area with one swipe per section. So placing your tool like so, we're going to swipe up like this. The other side next to it. And through the center, like so. The other side, like this. Like so. Through the center. We will do under the chin here. So placing your toe like this and wiggle at the edge. The other side, like this. And wiggle at the edge here. Your jawline, like this. Wiggle at the edge. The other side, like so. Wiggle at the edge here. Now we will do an acupressure on our masseter muscles here to release any bunching in these areas. The other side, like this. Use a pressure that feels right for you. And we'll do like this. Sweeping up and out. Wiggle at the edge. The other side. Like this. Sweeping it up and out. Wiggle at the edge here. And we'll do under the cheekbone here. Like this. Applying acupressure along the way and release the other side like this, like so, and release. And upper cheek here from the side of your nose, sweep it up and out, wiggle at the edge here. The other side like this, wiggle at the edge. For your eye area, you want to use really light pressure here, and once you get to the temples, you can use a little bit more pressure if you would like. Like this. Apply acupressure here. Upper eye area. Like this. The other side. This. Wiggle at the edge here. Your upper eye. This, wiggle at the edge. We're going to move up from the eye here towards your hairline and wiggle at the edge. The other side here, like this, wiggle at the edge. For your forehead here, we'll do 3 swipes. 1, 2, 3 here. For your Gua Sha tool, you can wash it with warm water and soap for your next Gua Sha facial massage. I'm going to put it aside for now. We're going to gently tap it all in to seal in all the goodness and improve circulation. So just gently tap all over here. Your neck, your chest as well. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video, found this video helpful on your journey to giving yourself amazing Gua Sha facial massages easily at home. Thank you for joining. Take care, my darlings. See you soon. Bye bye.